SBET stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is Sharplink gaming stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking this down in this quick 1-minute video, especially now looking at Sharplink. It's a solid like a bearish market for me, and I don't even have like very ill intentions towards it, but I'll just break down in a second why so. Having done well over 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience, I have seen what's working for me and what's not, and mainly I've documented it all, especially with SBET. Let's pop up here. You will see I have 37 receipts in the Discord. But with this in mind, it's not something that I'm bullish on purely because it's in a bearish range. Well, can my bias shift? Well, of course, yes. For example, first signs of bullishness is going to be if I start seeing breaks above 28.60, but I'm looking to trim or sell if I see a second break beneath 21.63, you know? So we're in this kind of like a range where it really depends whatever we break first, but I'm not going to immediately start buying, you know what I mean? So that's currently how it's looking like for me. It was not always like this, you know. I've pretty much called this out way beforehand when it was like early days, and I took it from like I think 30 bucks. Was it 30? Let's check.
Stock analysis.
Yeah, you bet it was $30, 30 cents 2 months back, and then freaking delivered to like 120. That was a 4x. So I only made like plus 4R, but if I was holding it, I would have made a lot more. But it's spot trading. Now, if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights and stock picks, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.